Lock in vibrant color and protect your hair's health from the very first rinse with Keune's After Color Program, the essential first step to long-lasting, radiant results. After your color or lightening service is complete, rinse well and follow up with After Color Shampoo. This sulfate-free, professional use only formula stops the oxidation process, removes the residual product from the hair and scalp, and closes the cuticle after a color treatment. After Color Shampoo contains a color stabilizer and a UV protector, which provides protection to the hair structure and hair color. We recommend using After Color Shampoo once following a color service and twice following a lightening service. Rinse well and follow up with After Color Balsam. This conditioner stops the oxidation process, brings the hair back to its natural acid balance, and leaves the hair soft, shiny, and more manageable. After Color Balsam should stay in the hair for 1 to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. With Keune's After Color Program, you're not just preserving color, you're protecting the integrity of the hair, ensuring every strand stays vibrant, healthy, and salon fresh for longer.